Hi guys, and welcome back to another fridge cleaning and organization video. So we're just going to jump right into the declutter, and first I do want to give you a nice overview of exactly the state of the fridge. So as you can see, the second shelf, it just needs so much work. I don't know what it is about that second shelf that I just have to constantly fix it, because it's just always the worst. So we're going to get that together. I'm going to show you some new organizers that I did pick up from Amazon, and I'm going to be restocking this fridge, and you guys are going to watch me do all of that. I also wanted to take a moment to introduce myself to you. My name is Tracy. I do a lot of cleaning and organizational videos. Every now and then I will do Sunday reset vlogs, or I'm going to start doing weekend reset vlogs. And I'm a mom of one. I have a 5-year-old little boy. You may have seen him on my channel if you're not new. And I also work full-time, so it's been difficult, creating content, especially long-form content, but I haven't completely given up, so I'm proud of that. If you are new or if you are a returning viewer, please don't hesitate to introduce yourself in the comments. Leave me a nice comment and let's talk. So I did want to show you some of the items that I got from Amazon to kind of revamp my fridge space. So I wanted to get something a little bit smaller to keep my eggs in. So currently I'm using this container that holds 24 eggs, and I realized that was just way too many eggs. So I was struggling with this because if I put stuff on top of it, then I have to move it out of the way and then go in and get the eggs and then put the top back on and then put the stuff back in, and that was just a little bit too much. So I kind of didn't like that. So I found this drawer system on Amazon, and I really like it because once you clamp it up onto the bottom of the shelf, it saves so much space, so I can now put stuff underneath it, and it's not very large, so I don't really need to fill this up with eggs. So I'm very eager to try this out. Another thing I picked up from Amazon is this drawer system here. It's stackable, so I bought 2 of them, and I love that it has dividers that you can slide in and slide out, so it's customizable. So this is what I'm going to be putting most, if not all, of my vegetables in. I also found another drink dispenser or drink organizer. So one of the things that I'm really trying to focus on this time around is saving space, because I have a very small fridge, and so I'm thinking things that I can stack, I'm really going to find that useful. I'm never really going to need to take the lid off, so I can sit things on top of it, and then I can just grab my drinks from here, and that will work out just fine for me. I also picked up some new Tupperware as well. So the neat thing about this Tupperware system is that it's glass and it has dividers. For some reason I've never seen that before, but I was watching someone else's YouTube video and I saw that they meal prep using these. So I was like, oh, let me get one of these. So I actually bought a set of 3. One of them broke in the box during shipping, so I wasn't very happy about that, but that's fine. So I still have 2, and like I said, it's divided, so it's good for meal prepping, leftover storage, etc. Another thing that I like about this system is that it actually has a space where you can store silverware, and it comes with a set of silverware, and it's so tiny and cute, but it's metal, so it's something that you can reuse. So you just store the silverware inside, and then you can just take it with you for lunches and things. So now I'm giving everything a thorough wipe down. It's really not that bad because I've been staying on top of keeping the fridge clean, but I'm just going to go ahead and just wipe out a few little pieces of food and random stuff. Just go ahead and get it nice and clean so that I can put the organizers back into the fridge, figure out how I'm going to arrange everything, and that honestly is the best part. I'm also using this sprayway cleaner on the glass because I wanted to try it and I actually like it, so I think I may continue to do this. And of course, I'm still using my Method grapefruit all-purpose cleaner. As some of you guys know, that is my absolute favorite cleaning product, so I didn't think that I was going to actually do this, but I've decided, since I did finally finish this bottle, that maybe it's time to look into other cleaning products as well. And while we're on that topic, I do have a new cleaner that I am testing out. It's supposed to be very healthy, very safe, and effective, so I can't wait to share that new cleaning product on my channel with you all. So now that everything is cleaned in the fridge, now it's time to go ahead and prep the fruit and vegetables so that we can get them organized. I find that doing this does help encourage me to eat more healthy fruit and vegetables, whereas I normally would not choose for these because a lot of the times they're not already prepped, they're not already organized. A lot of the times I forget that they're even in the fridge. So doing it this way, storing them this way, really helps, give me a visual cue that I need to be eating these. They're gonna, spoil fairly quickly. So we need to go ahead and be grabbing these. And this actually helps me reduce eating junk food. As a side note, I just want to kind of gripe for a minute. Is anybody else sad that strawberries are not in season? Like, they don't even look like actual strawberries. They literally look like something that was grown in the lab. So sometimes I just don't even want to eat them. But my 5-year-old loves them. He loves strawberries, so I still buy them for that reason. But other than that, I just cannot wait for the summer. Just as a heads up to you, in case you're deciding to purchase the large clear organizers with the vegetables in them, they do slide around as you open and close the drawers. So just keep in mind that you'll need to put something underneath to help grip the glass. So now we are all finished. Thank you guys so much for watching me clean up this messy small fridge. We all know that small spaces are the easiest spaces to get out of hand. So Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit the like button. I will see you guys in the next upload. Bye.